Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking scope and assets. Who is this for and how long should it run? Once you have a target and 9 frame, pick AI tools for script, voice, and editing so workflows align. Make sure to gather logos, B-roll, and any reference footage in 1080p or higher. Then draft a brief style guide, tone, pacing, color palette, because consistency saves hours later. Finally, create a simple content outline so your AI prompts stay focused and reproducible. Now you turn prompts into parts. Feed the outline to an AI script engine and refine until each scene has a single purpose. Once done, export dialogue as separate WAV files from your TTS so you can time edits precisely. Meanwhile, produce visuals, use stock clips, AI-generated scenes, and simple motion graphics to illustrate each line. Make sure to label assets clearly and organize a timeline in your editor. When audio and visuals align, you can start cutting for rhythm and emphasis. To finish, focus on fidelity. Mix your audio tracks, normalize levels, compress lightly, and add subtle reverb for naturalness, because clean sound makes AI voices believable. Then color grade to match scenes and export a master in H, 264 or ProRes depending on delivery needs. Once exported, test playback on the target device and check captions for accuracy. If something goes wrong, isolate the issue. Mute layers to find the faulty asset, swap in raw WAV, or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.